Today we are discussing question and answer for AWS Cloud Practitioner CLF. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is, what is AWS Trusted Advisor? Correct answer is, AWS Trusted Advisor is an online resource that helps you optimize your AWS infrastructure, increase performance and reliability, and save money by providing real-time guidance based on the best practices. It offers recommendation across categories like cost optimization, security, fault tolerance, and performance improvement. Our question is, what are AWS regions and availability zones? Correct answer is, AWS regions, geographical locations around the world where AWS data centers are clustered. Each region is a separate geographic area that consists of multiple availability zones. Availability zones, isolated locations within a region. They are designed to be independent of each other in terms of power, networking, and facilities, providing fault tolerance and stability. Next question is, how does AWS handle intense failure within an auto scaling group? Correct answer is, AWS auto scaling automatically replaces unhealthy instances within an auto scaling group based on health checks. When an instance fails a health check or becomes unhealthy, auto scaling terminates the instance and launches a new on to maintain the desired capacity and availability. Next question is, what is AWS Elastic Beanstalk? Correct answer is, AWS Elastic Beanstalk is an easy to use service for deploying and scaling web applications and services developed with Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker on familiar servers such as Apache, Nginx, Passengers, and IIS. Next question is, how can you secure access to your EC2 instances? Correct answer is, you can secure access to your EC2 instances by using SSH Secure Shell or RDP Remote Desktop Protocol, limiting access to specific IP address, using key pairs for authentication, and disabling password-based authentication, configuring security groups, controlling inbound and outbound traffic to your instances based on protocol ports and IP addresses, implementing IAM roles, granting temporary permissions to access AWS services and resources securely. Next question is, explain AWS Lambda triggers and event sources. Correct answer is, AWS Lambda triggers are events that cause a Lambda functions to execute. Event sources can include API gateway, HTTP requests, trigger lambda functions. S3 object creation, deletion, or modification events trigger lambda functions. DynamoDB database operations like insertions, updates, or deletion triggers lambda functions.